all about Bedianawalkerdoings, Charlie. You see, this you can eat with honey, chocolate, anything that sweets you, you can eat with. Now guys, we are creating another menu. This is egg. This is my 2 egg and my sugar. This is cream cheese. Yeah. This is cheese. This is cream. We are making 3 portions of. So this is egg. You see some. This is egg. You see, and cheese. You see some red particles down. Yeah, it's saffron color. I have whisker here to whisk it, but I want to use spoon. So now I'll add my baking powder. So I'm mixing it. I'm adding vanilla essence. I've already added vanilla powder essence because of the egg. Yeah. So I'm using cheese, cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a little pinch of salt. I added cream and 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Yeah. This, you don't add too much of milk because it's cheese dough I'm making. Yeah. Added my yeast. So now let's mix it. I'm adding my lukewarm water. So now I'm coming to add my flour. So I'm adding my butter. So I'm coming to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You see? Then I will knead till it's mixed and soft. When I taste, the cheese is small, so I'm adding a little cheese. I want to taste cheese. Yeah. When I'm eating, I want to taste the cheese. See my dough? This is my bread. I'm sprinkling it cinnamon on top. That's cinnamon. This is my bread. Yeah, see? So I'm rolling my bread and cut. because my bread is already proof. So guys, let's fry it and see how it will be. My grandmother taught me this, and I really love this kind of recipe because this one, it contains a lot of cheese. Wow, you see, it's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings, Charlie. You see, this you can eat with honey, chocolate, anything that suits you, you can eat with. So this is the end of our cheese balls. This is cheese balls. This is cheese balls though. Okay? And this it's not even in the dictionary of my book. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. I don't joke with my black seed though. The taste is so good when you add to a bread roller. The taste is so good, so I don't joke with it.